Hey guys, good morning! It's me again, Casey, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, ang ating video is I'm going to do an inspired look by Evangelista. So, I'm just gonna copy her signature look. Ito yung look, this is the look that she always use for every day. It's more a very simple makeup look, which is she's only focused on her brows, her wing, and her blush. So she's really fun of doing her blush, really pink and glowy, and then a very nude lipstick. So also he does a little bit of contouring, and that's it, yun lang. So yan guys, very quick lang to, very simple, and then gagayahin. I'm going to copy this look as much. I will do my best and hopefully magustuhan ninyo. So before anything else, please do subscribe, like, and share this vlog or this video. And yes, yeah, let's go.
Okay guys, so let's start. First, I'm going to use my concealer just to hide that imperfection. Like mine, I have this dark circle, not as bad, but yeah, I'm gonna cover that. And this is on my ring finger. I'll just push the product on my skin. So this time, whatever left on my brush, I'm just gonna use that as my base for my eyelids, and using my finger again, I'm just gonna blend it out. Next that I'm going to do is I'm gonna set my brow using my feather brow from XO, I believe, yep. And using my brow brush, so I'm just gonna brush my hair up and set it. Okay, next that we're going to do is we're going to fill in my brows, not your brows. So using my brown pencil in dark shade, I'm using this, which I'm going to do a fine stroke and shape my brows, and then later on I'm gonna brush it with my brow brush and making sure that everything is even and correct. Next is I'm going to use my flat brush and using a shadow that same color as my pencil, brow pencil. Then I'm just gonna set it up, set the brow so it doesn't move or make a mess. And this time, what I'm doing is kind of using a concealer and just try to fix the edges of my brow, making sure it's all straight, it's all clean, and yeah. And we're just gonna blend that using a Q-tips. Okay, this time we're gonna go ahead and fill that eyelids with our flat brush or eyeshadow brush using a white, kind of shimmer white eyeshadow. So as you can see on Evangelista's Instagram, she liked using light colors and then she does this eye contouring or crease contouring with a kind of a brownish copperish eyeshadow. So we're just gonna build that eyeshadow until we get the desired color that we want for our eyes. Okay, this time I'm just gonna curl my lash first. And what I'm doing now is just applying a black pencil to my how do you call this? Tight line. Yeah, that's right. Tight line. Yeah. So using a black creamy pencil, I'm using this to fill in my tight lines just to give a a good shape of my eyes. Then we're going back to our crease and build up more color to it. Next is again this time I'm using a smaller eyeshadow brush just to add more vanilla color to just in the middle of my eyes, in the middle of my eyelid. And this time we're creating a wink, which is we're just gonna do it halfway, we're not doing it all the way. So we're kind of extending our eye shape. By the way, I'm using as well XOO brand. So this is their really fine liquid eyeliner, which is I like. And this time, yeah, we're gonna do some, cover that face with our liquid foundation. I'm using actually a MAC liquid foundation, which is I didn't use much of a product, just a tiny bit of it just to even out my skin tone. And yes, using my concealer from Macage, I'm just gonna highlight the areas that I want to expose much, under eye, which is to make sure that you look awake, and the forehead, just to give you a highlight. And this time I'm going to do my blush. So first I'm using a very light pink blush and just making sure I kind of blend up properly, and also make sure we covered our nose as well, because Heart likes doing that. And then this time, using my pink blush with shimmer this time, and I'm gonna just add up to that pink blush before that we use, and now we're gonna pack that or add as well a pearl shimmer blush. So this pearl blush is from MK. Now I'm using a XOO contour powder, and just gonna contour our face that needed to, you know, give some depth to our face. And you know, the usual routine is just to squeeze, you know, your mouth so you can see what areas you want to put your contour. So basically, I'm kind of enhance my chin and make sure you can tell that, you know, the shape of my jaw. And this time also I'm contouring my nose to make it a little bit slimmer, and just make sure you blend it out. Okay, next we're using our highlighter to highlight our nose this time. Yeah, just to emphasize the shape of my nose to look more visible, and you know, and then just blending that contour. So make sure lang na all perfect. This time, curl again my lashes. My lashes is so stubborn. They all keeps going down. Yeah, so actually this time I don't use fake lashes. Too lazy to put eyelashes this time, so yeah, I'm just doing a under eye eyeshadow using that brown color, and yes, using our mascara, just add mascara to our eyelashes, both under eye, and this time, lipstick time. So for now I'm using a lip pencil to just outline our lips and extend a little bit, because Heart's lips is a bit fuller than my one. My lips is so skinny, I guess. And then just fill it in. I'm so sorry if you can hear someone in the background. That's my husband. Yes, just ignore them. Now we're just focused on our lips. Okay. Next, using my matte liquid lipstick. This is from XOX. Sorry, I keep saying XOO. It's actually XOX. So this is the brand from Kmart. I love them. So using that, just gonna add on top of my lip pencil. Okay, so lastly, I'm using my lip brush and using my clear gel lipstick. Just gonna set that lipstick and we all done. Yay! This is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. I guess I did a good job, and yay! There you go. Thank you guys so much. Have a lovely day. Be safe.